Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Rocket Babies. I'm Sunita Ghosh. So parents, this video is especially for those parents who is going through the phase of breastfeeding their kid, their child. Breastfeeding is a very natural process, but this natural process has a lot of complications, lot of problems, lot of confusion among parents, and especially those who are first time parents. So basically confusion in the sense because you never can watch how much milk is going inside the child, because if you are feeding through a bottle, at least you have an idea that what amount of milk your child is taking. But in case of breast milk, you never know that how much actual amount of milk is going inside your child's body. So everything is dependent on demand and supply. Like how much they demand, you need to supply that much. Now what happens is, problem comes when mostly you feel that you are giving adequate amount of milk to the child, but the child is never satisfied. Like one of my very close friends also had this problem, and I have seen many mothers having this problem, that they feel that okay, we have given adequate amount of milk, but our child is demanding more. So what's the problem? So in this video we'll be discussing about those issues. So if you are facing this issue, then one of the reasons that I'm going to tell in this video will apply to your child. So you will get the exact reason why your child is behaving in this manner, that although you feel that you have given the proper milk supply to your child, but still child is demanding more. So I'll be telling you the reasons for that. In case you are new to our channel, then this channel is about children. So we tell solutions for problems regarding very small children also, and we show us our routines, different activities. We talk about toddler problems also. So it's basically channel about children. So if you love our channel, if you like watching us, then do subscribe to our channel and like the video as well. So let's quickly start with the video. So there are various things that usually we watch while we are feeding the child. So one thing is that we always see that the child is latching properly. Then the second thing that we see is that we can hear a swallow sound. So that way we get to know that yes, child is drinking the milk. Next, what we see is that we check the wet diapers. So around 6 to 8 wet diapers is considered to be good. Then we see that if the stool is fine or not. And then we check that there is proper weight gain or not. So if all these things seems to be right, then we feel that we are giving right amount of milk to the baby, but still baby is demanding more. So why? So here are a few reasons. The first reason could be growth spurt. What is growth spurt? After child takes birth, they are constantly growing. Now this growth cycle, it's not stable kind of thing that they are growing at a specific rate all the time. It's not like that. It comes in waves. So sometimes they are having very high growth rate, and sometimes they are having a low growth rate. So it goes like this. When the growth rate is at its peak, at the peak of this wavy structure, so when it is at its peak, that is known as like there's a growth spurt going on inside your baby's body. So they will demand lot of milk, like extra of what they used to demand. They will sleep a lot as compared to usually how much amount of time they sleep. They will sleep more than that. They will be more crankier. So that is some of the signs that growth spurt is going on. So in case growth spurt is going on, which lasts from about like 2 days to a week, so in case growth spurt is going on and they are demanding high amount of milk, then you need to supply them that. So breastfeeding is something which goes on the concept of demand and supply. So if they are demanding, then you supply, and more amount of milk will be formed. Take care of your diet, take a good rich diet, so that your breast milk formation is happening nicely. For that you can check out a video. I'll put the link in the description box, which where we have mentioned the food that you need to take to have a good amount of breast milk getting formated in your body. So this was the first reason that they are going through a growth spurt. Second reason could be that they are just nursing for comfort. So you have like all the checklists that I told you in the starting of the video, they are all getting fulfilled, but still they are demanding for more milk. That means that might be they are doing it just for comfort. When they have skin to skin contact with their mothers, they feel very comfortable, they feel very secured, and they feel very nice. So what happens is that they don't want to leave that skin to skin contact and they want to continue with it. So that is why the child cries for more milk in that case. So if you feel that the weight gain is proper, urine is proper, stool is proper, if you feel that everything is proper, then in that case it's just for comfort. And what you can do is that instead of feeding more to your child, you can comfort the child by just giving them skin to skin contact, or maybe singing to them, or making them comfortable in different other ways rather than just feeding them. So this is the solution in case it's just for comfort. The next reason could be inadequate hind milk. So our breast milk has basically two parts. When the child starts taking breast milk, that time the first part that goes inside is the foremilk. Foremilk is very watery kind of milk, which is basically only to, it's like water. So water can only, like if you're thirsty, so you can drink water, then the thirst will be gone, but your stomach won't be full. So that's what happens with foremilk. Foremilk is just to remove thirst. Okay, it doesn't, fill the stomach of your child. So if the amount of hind milk in your breast is less, or you are switching the breast very fast, that means that the child is drinking from the first breast, and first he or she drank foremilk, and by the time the hind milk is going to come, which is the fatty milk which will fill the baby's stomach, by the time it comes, you are switching it to another breast. So now again the baby is getting foremilk from another breast. So basically he is completing that half an hour cycle of whatever, if you feel that half an hour is good enough time to feed your baby, so the baby is completing that half an hour, but he did not get enough hind milk. So because of that, his stomach won't get full and he will ask for more milk. So I hope you get the concept. So for this, the solution would only be that to give proper hind milk, you have to give proper time in each breast. So don't switch the breast fast. Let the child first finish milk from one breast and then switch it to another breast. So that's the concept, and this will solve your problem in case the problem was inadequate hind milk going inside your child's body. Next reason could be that your milk supply itself is inadequate. That is, you are not producing enough milk to satisfy your child. This you can clearly get the signs from your baby, like your baby is not giving you around 6 to 8 diapers, wet diapers a day, or your baby is not pooping properly, the poop is not proper, and your baby's weight gain is not proper. So that means that the baby is underfed. So baby's stomach is not getting filled from your milk supply is inadequate. So in that case, the solution would be to watch our video where we have mentioned the food that will increase your breast milk supply. And I'm not joking, these things work. Like I used to have loads and loads of oats. Oats really worked for me. So every day in the breakfast I used to have oats because oats really increased my breast milk supply. So in that video we have mentioned a lot of food items that you can consume on daily basis that will increase your breast milk supply. So do watch that video in case you are producing inadequate milk. Next reason could be, which is a very funny kind of reason, that baby actually wants to poop or pass gas, and that is why baby is demanding milk. So what happens is that the sucking action which they do while having milk actually helps in gastrointestinal movement. So in case they feel that they want to poop or they need to pass gas, they feel that if they are doing this action, it will actually help them to do it. So that is why they demand milk during those times. So what is the solution for these things? A very simple solution for poop or gas is that first solution is that lie them down in sleeping position, and then take your hand and just massage their tummy in clockwise direction like this. So this is the first solution. This will help them to release gas. The second solution is, again, put them in the lying position, hold both their legs and do cycling motion with their legs. So this way also it will help them to release gas. So in case your baby was demanding milk for these kind of reasons, they will stop demanding milk for this. So these were some of the problems, and I am sure that if you are suffering with this problem, then any of these, like one of these will be the problem with your child, and you will get solution in this video. Some more solutions could be like, if you feel that your baby is properly fed but they are just asking it for comfort, or that kind of a thing, then some more solutions could be that give the baby to somebody whom they are comfortable with for some time, so that they just get distracted and they are not with you, so that they won't ask milk. Second could be just change the environment, like if you are sitting in a room and feeding, then just take them outside, take them for a walk, so that way also the environment will change, they'll get distracted and they won't ask for milk. So these were the reasons and solutions, and you will find your solution, you will find your reason in this video, and I hope that this video will help you to find your solution, and you will be relaxed that okay, fine, this is the problem, this is the solution, and everything is settled. So I hope this video will do that for you. In case it does that for you, then do click on the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and enjoy this happy world of parenting. Talk It Baby rocks. Bye bye.